This is a
Loop Lasso.
or a string zip, a cool gadget that can launch a spinning loop of string into the air, kind of like a cowboy's lasso. I'm going to try making one myself using whatever materials I have on hand. Do you think I can pull it off? The materials are pretty simple. Tamiya Mini 4 WD wheels with 2 motors, a 7-volt battery, a switch, and a few other basic components. First, I need to make sure that both motors have the same power and speed. This ensures the spin is balanced and doesn't overload one of the motors. For the string, I'm using a yo-yo string, and I added a piece of a plastic straw to keep it on track. I had to tie the 2 ends together using sewing thread to make the joint as smooth as possible so the string could spin without catching. By the way, I wonder, is the official string used in real loop lassos actually made completely seamless? So, here's the final build of my DIY loop lasso. Will it actually work? Let's find out. The moment of truth. Well, the string goes in, but it doesn't feed out properly. After just a few seconds, it got completely tangled. Looking at the slow motion footage, the culprit was the straw I used as a guide. It's way too narrow, which restricts the string from feeding out quickly, causing it to jam and tangle. It looks like I'll have to cut off the top part of the straw and only leave the bottom section just to keep the string in line. And here's the final test. The string now spins smoothly, just like a loop lasso. However, the motors aren't powerful enough to push the string upward, so the loop keeps drooping down. On top of that, I have to keep the device perfectly still, or else it tangles right back up. So, what do you guys think? Was this project a success or a fail?